What's up guys, Ryan here. Today I wanted to make a quick video showing you my quick, simple, easy method for creating text-based designs that sell on print-on-demand products. So as you can see here, I use standard impact font, which is a big bold font, which I think renders well on products. And I did Hogue dealer, which is a little play on words from drug dealer that I think people think is funny. Overlaid that on gear bubble, black, white mugs, shot glasses, and pillowcases. I also took it and put it on an Amazon merch t-shirt. Now, you can put it on as many products and as many marketplaces as you want. The more online real estate you occupy, the more sales you'll get. Also, I should mention that I think the bigger and bolder your designs are, the more of the designable real estate you occupy, I think the higher the likelihood of getting clicked in search results is. Now, I've done a separate video on that, but studies have shown, I mean, if you analyze like some of the top Amazon merch brands, you'll see that as a trend. And I don't think it's a coincidence. I think they know exactly what they're doing. So to start the design process, go ahead and go to my blog post and download my Amazon merch PSD template. I would recommend doing that and then use that as a jumping off point for any of your print on demand stuff. I'm showing you my exact process. So if you want to follow along, go to the blog post right here in the description and then click the Amazon merch t-shirt PSD template. It'll start at 4500 by 5400 canvas size, and it includes an additional layer under channels for distressing the text, which I'll show you how to do in part 2. I've already got it open here. Now I'm going to hit T and open up the text tool. And I'm going to make it nice and big. And I'm going to type out Hogue dealer. And I'm going to change my font to Impact because this is my go-to for a quick, easy design. I want to make it as big as possible. So let's do like 600 pixels. And then you'll notice that the line height is off and it's overlapping. Now yours might have just done it automatically. So click the character tab and then right here where you see the A over A up down arrow. So if my font size is 600, I can try a 400. Sorry, you got to select the text and I'll do like 300 line height. There we go. And I'm going to put it towards the top for t-shirts. I typically like to do 20 pixels of letter spacing when I use Impact. It also varies based on your font size. So if you're doing 600 pixels, you might even go to like 25. But to me, I think this looks great. This is a very simple, easy to use design that you could overlay on tons of products. I mean, I only highlighted a few in showing you the mugs, shot glasses, pillowcases, t-shirts. Obviously on Amazon merch, you've got like long sleeve shirts, pop sockets, hoodies. You've got the new tank tops, v-necks, etc. You could put this on all of them. If you uploaded this to Printful and you wanted to use it as a hat, what I would recommend doing, well, first let me show you. I'll turn off the background layer and then you could save this to your desktop in the Amazon merch dimensions. That's always a great idea. But if you're going to upload this to a hat, what I recommend doing, and I've done a separate video on why you want to do this, but create a new layer, merge them, and then select just the text. Start a new document and paste. So what I just did is I trimmed any of the extra space around the actual design portion. The reason you do this is that when you put content on a hat on Printful, you don't want to do like manual scaling of the design, trying to fit it optimally within the design region on a hat. You just want to be able to load it straight into Printful, and this will occupy the full, as much of the design region as possible if you render your design like this. I guess the last thing I should mention is I like to render a white version and a black version. And this is why, because for coffee mugs, you can invert them. And also for t-shirts, you can put black text on a white background or a light pink background, light blue background, etc. So to do that, all you have to do is right click your layer, hit blending options, color overlay, and then black. And then save this, and you could render this dark text over a light background product. So that is it, guys. Stay tuned for part 2 where I'll show you how to distress this text, which does not work well on coffee mugs, shot glasses, pillowcases, but distressed text looks amazing and sells so well. It's ridiculous how easy it is to create these and how well it sells on t-shirts and t-shirt related products like tank tops, hoodies, etc. Stay tuned for part 2. I'll show you how to distress this text, and I'll see you then, guys. If you like this video, hit that like button. Please subscribe, drop me a comment, feedback, etc. And I'll see you at the next one.